Testing. What are we gonna do, Sammy?
We're gonna do wash our truck.
Okay.
Gonna open for me.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Woohoo! What are we gonna do today?
We're doing cars. No, I mean we're doing monster trucks versus Hot Wheels cars.
No, we're gonna do the monster motors today.
Okay.
Wow, mystery motors. Let me see which one we got.
I got Blue Thunder versus Gravedigger.
Versus Gravedigger.
We can erase the two monster trucks.
Yeah. Wow.
Santa and Dasher.
Wow. Let me see. Oh, those are your new monster trucks right here.
Yeah.
You got these for Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, so cool. The 2022
This
Monster Jam exclusive and the 2021
let's
Christmas
watch
exclusive.
these.
We're gonna wash them?
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
gonna open these. Uh,
Wow, you're
There.
so strong.
there.
Which one's that one?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. Wow. All right.
We're gonna shower it.
Okay. All right, let's see. Wow.
And then you give me.
What is it? Wait, what is it? Show it. Show
It's
it.
Blue Thunder.
Wow, and what is it?
It's Blue Thunder.
What does it have?
It has wheels.
Oh, wow.
Look at all the dirt right there.
Oh, you can take out the...
Oh no.
How does it feel? Touch it.
Feels
Feels good. Like what?
like watching.
All right, like that. Not too much. Save water. Like that. You gotta rub it off. Wow.
What? What is
What
this?
color is it?
A color blue.
Oh, wow. It comes with 100 variants, huh? 100 versions.
variants.
100 versions.
Hey, look it.
Blue Thunder.
Hey, look it. Something's in the back. Need to shower it. 2023 monster trucks.
2023 monster trucks. Wow.
And this is the name, the Blue Thunder. It says
Oh.
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. Wow.
And look, we showered the Gravedigger.
Oh, okay, look. It's almost done. Wow.
It's almost done.
You get like 100 versions.
Yeah.
And they're all different.
Yeah.
Is this the one you wanted? You wanted a blue one?
Yeah.
Or what color? ¿Qué color querías?
It's blue.
It's blue?
Blue.
Oh,
It's
wow.
like the Galaxy one.
Wow, let me see.
We got a new racer.
Wow, I haven't seen that one. That one's cool.
That one's called the Blue Thunder from Santa's
Yeah, what color are the letters? Show the kids. You gotta show
color
'em.
red.
Oh, and what color? Green, and what else?
And this is dirty.
Okay, let me see. Wow, let's show the kids this one. What number is this one? This one's gonna be number 11, Blue Thunder. Wow, I haven't
Look
seen
it.
this one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah? Wow.
Hey.
Which
Next.
one's next? Let me see. Show the kids. Show the kids first. Whoa, careful.
Great digger.
Oh, let me see. Show the kids.
It has the nose right there.
Let me see. Show the kids from the front. Wow.
It's come from 69 grave diggers.
Wow.
And Blue Thunder 69.
We want to see how the gravedigger looks with mud. Let me see. Wow.
It's dirty.
It's dirty. Wow. Are you ready?
Let's open it.
Okay.
Don't skip the channel, guys.
Woohoo! So we could open up more trucks.
We can open more trucks.
Yes, sir.
And we can race our YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe.
Because it just... We race the monster trucks later, the kids come back.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, which one to stick next? What color do you want? What color ghost from the gravedigger?
Color green.
¿Qué color?
Green.
Green? ¿Quieres un green ghost?
Green ghost.
Yes, sir. Un green ghost. All right, give it a little poke with your nail. Atta boy. More up, more up. Right here.
Here.
Right there, look.
It's a more cracker.
Yeah, it's harder to crack, huh? Crack open. Oh, wow. Let's see. Let's show the kids how it looks with the dirt. How does it feel? Tell them. ¿Cómo se siente?
Yeah.
Sticky?
It is sticky.
Oh, it's like rough, huh?
Rough.
Oh, it is like rough.
Hey, you need
Kind of like a matte feeling. Oh, wow. You can see a little green down there. Wow. Okay, good luck, Sammy. I hope you get the green ghost.
I want to crack this thing.
A ver, does it open? Ouch, does it hurt?
It doesn't.
No?
I need to watch it.
Wow. Oh.
It's color green.
Wow.
How it? What? What it's doing?
Wow, it looks like red flames.
It's like a horror flames. It's like a horror flames like this one.
Yeah, wow.
This is actually like a grave digger.
Oh yeah, it has flames like the Santa Claus monster truck, huh?
Yeah. Look at his wheels are very dirty.
Oh yeah. Make sure we clean it up good. Wow. That one's so cool too. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
There. Is that the one you wanted or you wanted the green ghost?
The green ghost.
The green ghost? That one's pretty cool too, huh? Let's see, let's show the kids real quick. Turn off the water. Make sure we save the environment and the fish.
Oh.
Wow, this one's like a blue ghost kind of grave digger, not the green ghost. Sammy wanted the green ghost, but it does come with the red flames.
I want to.
Wow, bad to the bone. Da-na-na-na-na.
Bad to the bone.
Yeah, you remember when you were small we went to Monster Jam?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, what number is this grave digger?
Hey, let's race them.
GD102.
Let's race them.
Number 2 and number 11, Blue Thunder. I like the Blue Thunder. The blue's pretty cool, huh?
That one's your favorite.
Yeah, which one's your favorite?
The Blue Thunder one.
Blue Thunder too? Wow, alright, let's go race them real quick.
Let's race them.
Alright, let's go downstairs.
Let's go downstairs and get some monster trucks.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Santa versus Blue Thunder.
Alright, wait. Alright, what are we doing, Sammy?
I'm doing
Huh?
Blue Thunder versus Santa.
Oh, we're gonna race some monster trucks? Blue Thunder versus Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
SpongeBob versus Patrick. No.
And Sammy's track.
I mean Blue Thunder and Santa.
Alright.
Right.
You ready?
Go. I think Santa won.
Santa won?
I think Blue Thunder. Let's do again.
Yeah. I think Santa won on that one. This is gonna be race number 2.
Yeah.
Race number 2.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys ready?
3, 2, 1, go. I think
doing?
We're doing... No, Santa!
Whoa!
Don't go, Santa!
Alright. Wait, hold on. Let's fix the track.
3, 2, 1, go! Santa won! Go!
Alright, we're gonna race Gravedigger and Dasher now.
Gravedigger versus Dasher.
Alright, you ready? What race are we doing next? What trucks are they?
This one, Randy.
Alright, it's gonna be Dasher versus Gravedigger. Whoa! Whoa! I think that one's kind of heavy.
Let's do Santa next. Who he's like so fast with his power plates.
Okay, let's see who drives fast.
I think. Go over there, Moose.
Go over there, Musa. Alright.
That one. We do that on another YouTube channel.
Yeah,
okay?
that one's gonna be next.
Let's see Gravedigger versus Santa.
Alright, Gravedigger versus Santa.
I think
Ready.
this one.
Set. Alright, you can put that one there too. Set.
The car just fall down right here. Look. It just fall down the lava.
Yeah, did it? Oh, it fell in the lava?
And
With the
Gravedigger
dungeon car.
filled the lava.
What?
And
way.
Santa wheeling.
Woo!
Santa
Alright.
wheeling.
Which one's next? The Blue Thunder?
The blue thunder.
Which versus which one?
Hey, I want to race these.
You want to race them? Alright, let's race all of them together now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
All of them.
Do they fit?
Yeah.
I don't think they fit. Do they?
Yeah, they're fit.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see.
I think Santa versus the car.
Santa versus the car?
Yeah.
Alright.
You know what? You got this from me.
You got it, yeah? Alright, let's see.
This is from a hot rods. These are hot rods. So the cars can fall in the lava.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Second.
Oh,
Santa fell in the lava.
oh, and the car went back. Wow.
And Santa fell in the lava.
Wow. He fell, no. Ah.
I need to raise some of the track.
Yeah, which
That
car's
was
next?
the floor and this is lava.
Yeah, which one's next?
Santa.
Let's do another monster truck. Yeah, the Christmas ones.
The Christmas one.
Yeah.
You know what we got the Christmas ones?
Where'd you get them?
And I think Santa buy me this. It says Monster Jam Earth.
Oh, wow. Monster Jam 2021 Christmas. Yeah.
And his window right here?
It has dirt in his window? Oh, yeah, it's just glass.
Just glass. And
Alright. Whoa!
What's Santa do?
Yeah, we need to make a bigger ramp one day so they can get more speed. But one day when it doesn't get dark fast. Yeah. Alright, which one's next? Let's race the Gravedigger versus Gravedigger.
Gravedigger versus two Gravediggers.
Alright, let's see. Alright.
Versus two Gravediggers.
Versus two Gravediggers.
You know what these Gravediggers are very special?
They're very special.
They're very special.
Why are they special?
Versus the Galaxy Gravedigger versus the normal Gravedigger.
Versus the normal Gravedigger, the old school one?
Yeah, and versus the Galaxy one.
Alright, you ready?
Ready, set, go.
Oh, so heavy. Oh, so heavy.
He just like
Yeah.
Blue Thunder.
Gravedigger versus Blue Thunder?
Yeah, Gravedigger versus Blue Thunder. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa. Whoa, they didn't make it.
They didn't make it right over here in the finish line.
I know why. They're heavy or what?
This is too longer, and this is very, very big.
Yeah, we need more speed, huh?
Yeah.
We'll have to
I
make a
need
bigger
some more
ramp.
speed.
All right, let's do one more race.
Oh, look it! He's doing like falling down. Let's do this. Just subscribe for my YouTube channel.
Whoa.